Make a great choice today with the 2012 Chevy Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 150,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tonneau cover, running boards, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, power brakes, auto off headlights, power driver mirrors, power passenger mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.